accelerated R&D program for capacity building of research and development institutions, and industrial competitiveness, or the niche centers in the regions for R&D, or NICER program, sustainable mineral and mining operations using Industry 4.0, with the title Industry 4.0 Learning Factory for Mining Engineering and Geology in the Academe and mining industry using augmented reality and virtual reality technologies, aka MARVEL, or the Mining AR and VR e-learning technologies. Led by yours truly, Dr. Jamer M. Hayuma, with a cost of 10,748,125, started last June 1, 2022, and expected to end on May 31, 2025. In cooperation of MGB, AMC, and TMC. Industry 4.0 is characterized by a combination of cyber-physical systems that uses modern control systems and embedded software systems that is connected using IoT. Mining industries already employ these concepts to look for opportunities and to optimize their processes. Embedded sensors, automation, and robotization in production areas. However, the delivery of training and instructions for mining education has largely remained traditional. The necessary skills needed for the mine of tomorrow should be considered. The Industry 4.0 Learning Factory would bridge this gap through a digital training center, making use of virtual reality and augmented reality. It envisions an augmented miner with senses and memory extended through technology. In particular, mine safety involves a broad array of related risks and hazards associated with mining. This includes blasting, explosives, ergonomics, diesel and dust control, fire and explosion safety, structural safety in mine, construction and geologic characterization, and environmental safety. With these issues, it is imperative to limit or eliminate human activities in the mining sites by implementing augmented or virtual reality that mimics mining management, especially on safety. AR/VR technologies will enable schools and mining companies to implement laboratory and site management through simulation that can enable them to save cost with the same efficiency. Equipment only available to the mine site can also be simulated to continue the delivery of necessary coursework even outside the physical classroom or laboratory. This will ensure continuous delivery of training even during sudden unforeseen events, just like the COVID-19 pandemic. The general objective of this project is to develop augmented or virtual reality technologies for mining processes that can aid in the simulation and training of mining scenarios. This includes training for high-risk mining scenarios like simulating equipment and machines. Specifically, this proposed project aims to develop AR/VR for autonomy of a mine, develop AR/VR for mine safety training and drills, mine emergency rescue and evacuation, and develop AR/VR for mining machine operations like jack, leg, rock drilling machine, and others. Creating a AR/VR requires the creation of a 3D model in the mining sites using a modeler. This could be achieved by using a drone to map the mining area. Objects can be added to enhance 3D model that mimics real-world scenarios like rocks and others. Android or iOS application developer will be used to manage the 3D model so the AR/VR can simulate mining activities and its management. Development kit can be added to include AR/VR and other libraries that are readily available for advanced development. Data storage and database server will be deployed for the client's access to the software, its infrastructure with the system, and some needed parameters to make default AR/VR configuration. The development of the AR/VR will focus on the anatomy of mines, underground safety, training drill, and mine equipment operation, which are basic mining processes that a student or a company is doing periodically.